Hey guys, welcome back to my another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log in your Telegram channel on laptop or desktop. Okay, so without any further delay, let's start the video. Okay, so first of all, you need to open any browser like Edge or Chrome, and then you have to type Telegram web. Okay, you have to click on first link and then your interface will look like. Okay, now go to your mobile and open your Telegram channel. Okay, and click on three dots. After that, you have to go to setting. After setting, you have to search here devices. Click on devices. Okay, so guys, scanner is already open on laptop. You have to open your Telegram account and go to setting. After setting, you have to search for devices. You have to click on devices and then scanner will open and you have to scan it, the QR code. Once your scanner part finish, then you will be able to log in your Telegram account on laptop. Okay, now you can use your Telegram account on laptop or desktop. Guys, I hope you like it. If you like it, then please do like, comment on my video. And if you are new on my channel, then please do subscribe it. And let's see in next video. Till then, take care and thanks for watching my video.